Kids, dinner!
Dinner?
Yeah, dinner.
Are you filming the lemonade? Lemonade! Lemonade.
Okay.
Beep boop beep boop.
Hello, Internet. This is Terrence. You're watching A Maker Dad, and we are in my kitchen today because I've been busy with the second half of an unscheduled job change. I've landed successfully on my feet, but unfortunately that does mean that I have a little less time to put into videos than when I was unemployed. Today we are making butterfly pea flower tea lemonade, or blue lemonade as my kids call it. I first encountered this drink when I was working in Pasadena last year. There was this Taiwanese tea shop with all these incredible looking drinks lined up on the wall, and I knew my kids would love them. One problem though, they don't travel well. You can see the multicolor effect fading even from just a 10-minute walk from the tea house to my hotel room. Now my kids are budding foodies. Here's a steak tasting that one of them requested for their birthday. And here's my oldest seasoning his French fries. They are also into experimenting in the kitchen. So, after some Googling, I found butterfly pea flower tea on Amazon. Here's the butterfly pea flower tea. It is 100% natural and organic, and when brewed, it makes a liquid that is very bright blue, clear liquid with almost no taste. In the presence of an acid, however, the liquid turns a bright magenta color. This drink works because the lemon and sugar mixture is denser and stays on the bottom of the glass. The ice acts as a buffer zone where the butterfly pea flower tea can mix with the lemonade to form the magenta color portion, while a little bit of the unreacted butterfly pea flower tea stays on top. It took me a few tries, but I was able to reverse engineer the recipe. There's 2 portions of this recipe that should be made ahead of time so that the ingredients can be chilled: the simple syrup and the butterfly pea flower tea itself. Simple syrup is just simply equal parts sugar and water. Here I'm measuring 1 cup of sugar into the saucepan, followed by 1 cup of water, and we are going to set this aside for now. Next, we prep the butterfly pea flower tea. In another saucepan, I'm going to add 3 cups of water, followed by 4 tea bags. Okay, time to cook the syrup and the tea. We'll put them on at full power at the beginning and then reduce power to simmer once the liquid comes to a rolling boil. I love my induction cooktop, by the way. It is just as responsive as gas, but there's no heat generated from the cooktop, so you're not heating up the room, and it is incredibly energy efficient. In the amount of time that it took me to tell the story about the butterfly pea flower tea, the liquid went from room temperature to starting to boil. After the tea's been simmering for a little bit, it's time to transfer it to a bottle. I couldn't find my funnel here, so I'm pouring it into a Pyrex measuring cup, and then transferring from the Pyrex measuring cup into a plastic bottle. Look at the color of that tea. It's pretty. Okay, and then the cap goes on, and it goes in the fridge. Back in the present, we are going to make the lemonade. We are going to start by rolling some lemons to release the juice, and then we'll cut them in half. I use a citrus press. According to Dave Arnold in his book Liquid Intelligence, lemon juice squeezed with a citrus press tastes better than lemon juice squeezed with a citrus juicer, probably due to the addition of lemon oils that get pressed out of the skin. We're juicing 4 lemons here. into a cocktail shaker of ice. And to our lemon juice, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of the simple syrup that we've made earlier. This then gets shaken up so that it's nicely mixed and, more importantly, chilled. We want to chill this so that we minimize the ice melting in the next step of the process. To finish the drink, we poured the chilled lemon juice and sugar mixture into the glass. Add ice. This is crushed ice from my freezer rather. And over the back of a spoon, we're going to carefully squirt in the butterfly pea flower tea. And yes, I will never be a bartender.
Yummy.
And that's all you can really ask for. Hey, this is Terrence again, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, leaving me a comment. That will really help me with getting this channel off the ground. Thank you, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Beep boop beep boop. But it's perfectly golden bone, which is unusual. That's brownish spot. It's golden bone. Could you put chocolate on mine? And make it even yummier. To make it even yummier. Here's the 2 grand crackers. Here's the plain put on these. Try some of these.